Hey folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. I got something here I bet some of you've never seen before. This is a 1967 Jeepster 4-cylinder out of a Jeepster, like a Kaiser, or what year did AMC buy them guys? You guys know, 67, 68, somewhere along in there, I think. But this is a Jeepster, a little Jeep pickup truck. And it's a flathead 4-cylinder, 135 cubic inch. Now it's a semi-flathead. The exhaust valves are in the block like a traditional flathead, but the intake valves are in the cylinder head. Can you tilt that up again, John? And it's got gigantic intake valves in it, guys. Check that out. There's my thumb. I mean, that's big block intake valves in that thing. But it's so the intake valve is regular overhead valve. Is the cam in the block or? Yeah. Okay. Oh, I see right here. Okay, there you go. There's your springs for your exhaust valves. Yeah, there's a cover that covers the side of the block, and that's how you gain access to those bad boys. Of course, there's your distributor, and there's your oil for your fuel pump. But John says the connecting rod will barely fit in that cylinder hole right there. I don't even know if a baseball will fit in there. It's awful small. I don't think a baseball would make it in there.
Be close.
God almighty. You could probably knock it down through there, but little bitty motor. But anyway, he thinks they only made these motors a couple of years. What do you guys think on that? But I just thought that was cool. That's something you don't see every day. Kind of neat. So the crankshaft would be down here. Is that right? And this is the cam. Okay. So is it gear to gear or is there a chain?
Yeah.
Gear to gear, okay. Cool. All right, guys, well, there you have it. Hey, folks, Bob here at Bob's Classic Cars and Parts. And look what we have here. I'm over here at John's garage, and this is one of his customers' vehicles. And John just rebuilt the engine in this thing and gave it back to the customer. And the customer can't get it to start. So he brought it back over to John. So they're thinking they got some kind of problem with the distributor. But it's a 67 Jeepster. At least that's what they told me it was. Look at the body on this thing. It ain't rusted out. It's got some dents. But it ain't rusted out. 4-wheel drive Jeep. There's the original dealer, Bob Bass in Raleigh. Good Lord, I haven't seen a Bob Bass car in decades. I used to go by that dealership all the time. Bob Bass Jeep in Raleigh. I believe this is a Jeepster. Ain't that what these are called? The floors look to be, I'll tell you what, this old truck's in pretty decent shape. Be fun little run. Vehicle to ride around in, but I don't want to mess with the motor. They got it covered up. It's been rain this weekend, so I think it was last on the road in 91, North Carolina State Inspection. 91 or 92. The hood's off, obviously, because they just put the motor in it. So, and it is a 4-wheel driver. Of course, we saw that tag on the back. You can see the differential up under there. Pretty neat little truck. I like it. Hopefully they can get the distributor going. I don't know if it's I don't know what they did there, but they'll figure it out. They'll get it going. It's got that Hurricane motor in it, like you'll see in the early part of the video. I think I'll put the engine part of the video when they were doing the engine. I'll put that at the beginning of this. Ain't this cool? Look at this. I would love to have this. This is cool. These things ain't cheap either. They bring pretty good money. I don't see any rust in the tailgate. Pretty neat. Looks like they're missing the trim pieces around the tail lights. All right, folks. Well, there you have it. Little 67 Jeepster. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Hit that thumbs up. Hopefully we'll get this thing running next time I'm up here. Bob out.